guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, I'm Haley, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you my birthday transformation. So tomorrow's my actual birthday, but it's on a Sunday, and that's usually a day I like to just chill and do whatever. So tonight we're going to dinner. So I'm going to take you guys through my hair, makeup, outfit, all that kind of stuff. So before we get started, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to my channel before you leave today, and let's go ahead and get started. Okay, I'm gonna put my hair up really quick. I did just get it done, so it's looking fresh. I got like really light money pieces in the front, so I really like it. So I'm just gonna put it up though. And I've got some wine. So I'm actually gonna start with my eyes today. I really wanna try this one thing I saw on, I think, Instagram. I'll put the picture right here of what I'm kind of going for. So that's what I'm gonna try for. So I am gonna prime my eyes with some concealer. This is the e.l.f. concealer that I always use. And I like hardly ever prime my eyes, but I feel like since there's not gonna be much going on, like as far as eyeshadow, I think I need to like even out. Cool. And then I'm just gonna set that with my normal powder, the MAC powder, Studio Fix. All right, I need to look at that picture one more time, so hold on. Okay, so it's kind of like a cat eye situation. So it like goes up here and then in, and then it goes like on the lash line. So I have a small brush. I have the Jaclyn Hill palette that's very dirty, and I'm gonna work from, I think I'm gonna just use black. So this black from the palette, and that's really the only color I'm gonna use, and I'm nervous. I'm gonna start just with the actual lash. This is so weird for me because I never use black. The good thing is it looks kind of messy, so I don't think it has to be perfect. And that's why I'm doing my eyes first, so if it looks bad, I can just wipe it off. I don't think it went like all the way in, so I'm gonna stop there. Maybe I should go get some tape. I'll be right back. Like all I had, so it's gonna have to work. Looks good. Okay. Here we go. I'm gonna start out light. Okay, and then you're just kind of like half moons over. Like that. Is that literally it? Am I like overthinking this? Kind of. Okay. I'm gonna smoke it out a little. Okay, that's cute, honestly. I just need to like get like a clean brush and just like fade it out. This one will work better. I'm just gonna deepen it up a little more. Okay, that looks pretty good. I do have lashes I'm gonna put on really quick, and then I can talk to you guys more once I'm done with the eyes because I can focus, you know? So I am using the Ardell Foam Mink Wispies. They're really, really cute and long. I seriously never wear false lashes, and I was just feeling some type of way today that I wanted to. And mostly because I saw this eye look and thought that they needed it. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other one, and then I'll be right back because then I can actually talk to you guys and we can hang out. I'll be right back. Okay, lashes are on. My eyes are done for the most part, so I'm gonna go ahead and start the face, and hopefully all of this will start coming together a little bit. So I'm gonna prime with the Tatcha Silk Canvas. That's way too much, but it's fine. I'm just gonna put on some lip plumper while I do the face. This is buxom. For foundation, I'm using my L'Oreal Infallible 24 Hour Fresh Wear, my favorite. I'm just gonna put some on the back of my hand. Brand new. It's a pretty good color for my body. Okay, so now that my eyes are done, the hard part's done, I can finally talk to you guys. So, like I said, tomorrow's my birthday, and tomorrow's Sunday, and that's usually the day that I like to just chill, and just kind of hang out around the house and just be calm and just do whatever. But tomorrow I actually want to put up our Christmas tree, and I just really want to be in like Christmas mode tomorrow, so I wanted to celebrate my birthday today and go out to dinner. So we're gonna go to this really cool like Mexican restaurant. It's kind of newer. It's called La Una, and they have really great margaritas, and they have good tacos, but their quesadillas are like so good. That's what Brad and I always get, so I'm really excited to go there. It's like a really cute spot as well, and a good atmosphere. Yeah, I really like this color foundation. I'm also using my like studio lights for the first time in a while, so if the lighting looks a little different, it's because it's now dark at like 5 p.m. and I'm gonna have to start using my lights more, so it is what it is. I've had these lights literally since I started my I filmed my very first video, so it's really funny. I get nostalgic when I set them up, because that's what I used to film with like all the time. But now I've just gotten to where I like prefer natural light, so it's just kind of funny. I also just hit 1,000 subscribers this week, which is so exciting, so I wanted to say thank you guys for subscribing and watching my videos. It really does mean so much, so really appreciate you. And if my eyebrows look crazy, it's because they are, and it's because I'm growing them out in the middle because I think they're too far apart and I want them to be like closer together. So bear with me for a while because they're gonna be looking a little crazy. Oh, I like that this kind of cleans up. Yeah, that's cute. Mine turned out a lot like more like a cut crease type smoky eye than that girl's, but I still like it. I think we have just like different eye shapes, and I honestly couldn't figure out how to just do like the one like angular line, because on her it looked really cute and like messy but still like put together and like geometric kind of, but mine just looked like sloppy without a little blending on top, so that's okay. I really like it, and I really like how it looks with the lashes, so I'm good with it. I still have no idea what I'm gonna wear. I want to be kind of extra because it's my 15th birthday and I'm allowed. I'm gonna be 24, which is so weird. I'm like in my mid-20s. I don't like that, but it's okay. I feel like 30 is not even old anymore, so I got a ways to go. And then I'm just gonna go over with the foundation brush and just kind of pat so the two colors melt together. Since I did use a lighter concealer, I've been liking to do that lately. And it just helps like if you have any excess or any places that you like didn't really blend as well as you thought. So I'm gonna go ahead and set everything with my MAC Studio Fix powder that I love under eye first. And it just kind of takes away some of the lightness too. That's why I got a lighter concealer this time, because I noticed that my powder like darkens everything up just because it's like my skin color. So it kind of counteracts that. And then just with a bigger brush, I'm gonna set everything else. Okay, so now that everything is set like under my eyes, I'm gonna go ahead and just finish off my lower lash line so I can be done with the eyes. And I'm not gonna add any additional product. I'm just gonna take this little brush and just run it along my bottom lash line. And then take the little blending brush and just blend it out. I'm just dipping this in like a skin color eyeshadow, just so it'll help blend it out a little more and just make it look more gradient. And then I'm just gonna add some mascara to the bottom lashes, and we can move on from the eyes. And then quickly I'm just gonna highlight using Becca Opal. All right, now for bronzer, I'm gonna be using Give Me Sun. This is just the stuff that ties it all together. You guys know this every single time. This makeup is giving me very 2015 vibes, but I don't hate it. And I'm gonna take a little brush take a little taper brush and just add a little definition, because why not? Alright, for blush, I'm going to be using the Kylie Cosmetic Daddy on the Block. I can't decide what I want to do with my hair. I kind of want to try that thing where people do like the wavy look with the straightener. But I'm a little nervous that it's going to look bad. But you know what? My eyes, I was nervous that was going to look bad too, and it came out for the better. So you know what? Maybe I'll just take my chance. Why not, right? I'm like getting so hungry, so if I'm being a little short or like strange, it's because I'm literally starving. I need to like drink my wine. Alright, and I'm gonna put a little bit of this just over top of that just to add a little more shimmer. I can hear Brad singing in the shower. That's funny. Yeah, just for a little shimmer, because I don't really want to put highlight on my cheeks. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and brush up my brows. The other day I was at my friend's house and she had, I think it was, I can't remember the brand, but it was, what was it? It's gonna bother me now. It was a brow product that was kind of like the Benefit Gimme Brow, the one where you just brush through, and I used hers and it was literally the best, and my eyebrows looked so good and like how I always want them to look, so I need to get it. I need to find out what it is. I'll put it on the screen. I'll text her and ask her what it is so you guys can get it if you want it. My brows have never looked better. They were like really wispy. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and set my face with some setting spray. This honestly went kind of fast. Maybe it didn't. Maybe like the footage is like an hour long. But honestly. Okay, now I'm gonna do lips. This is MAC Oak Lip Liner. And then I'm gonna be using the KKW Nude 3 lipstick. Just a little bit. And then I can't decide which gloss. I think I wanna go with the more pinky one, since I did more pinky cheeks. And this is the Buxom Sandy. And it's the one that I plumped with earlier, but yeah, that's cute. Okay, I kind of am obsessed with this. I know the lighting's like a little weird, but I think it looks really pretty. Okay, now we're gonna do hair. Honestly, I kind of just want to wear it straight. Oh, I wish I could just ask you guys and you could tell me right now. You're less Brad, hold on. Okay, I don't really know what I'm doing, but I'm gonna give this a try. I guess that's kind of working. I'm gonna section it. Okay, let's try this again. That's so ugly. And now it's not gonna straighten, watch. That works, that's not bad. It kind of goes with like the eye makeup. And it's faster, so I can go eat sooner. I really don't know how people do that. I'm gonna have to get one of those like 3 thingy, like, not, I don't want to say crimper, but like waver. Yeah.
To go with your vibe? Oh, that's okay.
Do you want it? I like it.
Okay.
I don't think we have the same vibe.
Yeah. Good. Be ourselves.
Yeah.
Alright.
Okay, I'll be ready soon.
Okay.
Cute. Okay, let's pray that this goes away. And then I don't fry my hair up in the process. Okay, cute. Got it figured out. It's a little dented, but it's fine. Okay, so this is it for the makeup and hair. I'll get dressed and be right back and show you guys what I'm wearing.